Today, we're going to dive into one of the most convenient features of the Apple ecosystem, forwarding messages from your iPhone to your MacBook. With this seamless integration, you can easily manage your messages across devices, ensuring that you never miss a text or iMessage, whether you're on your phone or your computer. To get started, we need to make sure that continuity is enabled on both your iPhone and your MacBook. Here's how you can do it. First of all, we need to say something important. For you to receive a text message on your MacBook, you will need to be logged in with the same Apple ID on your iPhone and on your MacBook. If you are logged on both devices with your account, do this. On your iPhone, go to Settings. Find and tap on Messages. Scroll down and tap on Text Message Forwarding. You'll see a list of all the devices currently signed in with your Apple ID. Find your MacBook in the list and toggle the switch next to it to On. Toggle on the switch for your MacBook. It is possible that your MacBook will show a 6-digit code at this point. Don't panic, this is just your devices making sure they're meant to be together. Enter this code on your iPhone when it asks you to, and then tap Allow. You can allow all the devices, including your iPad, to receive the messages if you want. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can easily forward messages from your iPhone to your MacBook, ensuring that you never miss a text or iMessage, no matter what device you're using. This seamless integration is just one of the many benefits of the Apple ecosystem, making it a great choice for anyone who wants a streamlined and connected experience across their devices. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.